Alright, we just checked in for the second time into Big Cedar. We had a wrong room, and it looks like the room they gave us was assigned to somebody else named Rick, who has a birthday. So as I walk in the front door, this is the kitchen. And there's Rick's gift. Then we have the doors here, which are storage, laundry. Here's laundry. Storage with a safe. We have a desk area, kitchen table area. This is a living room. Couch pulls out. So look from the patio out to the lake. We're on the 4th floor, so I didn't mention that before. Television, fireplace. Here's the lockout room. Basically the same stuff, but in a condensed version. So you've got the television, table for 2, patio, rocking chairs, pull-out couch, king-size bed, entry to the bathroom, and then the kitchen is along the wall here. So you've got a microwave, a small stove top, a dishwasher, sink, and a mini fridge. Down here, you've got storage closets. This is your vanity. And the bathroom. And then I'll take you over to the main room. So once again, this was the lockout. And then across from that is the master bedroom. So here we have television, a window into the living room. Once again, a deck looking out at the lake. Here's our king-size bed. A chair. And then our bathroom is somewhat open with the vanity here. We've got a jetted tub. Got a closet. And then the bathroom. And a locked closet over here, but the door opens up to the front door, and that's where the kitchen area is. And then our bathroom is this large counter space, a toilet, and the stall shower. And I'll just take a picture of the amenities so you know what you're getting. Supposedly there's a blow dryer here somewhere. We have soaps and more soaps. And then I'll just take you into the kitchen real quick and show you what comes in the kitchen. Now they have what they call a cookie lady who comes every day and brings you new cookies. And then they have this amenities area here, which is coffee. This amenities area here, which is coffee, sweetener, and these really cute little salt and pepper shakers. And I think we get both that in both rooms. So here's the rest of the kitchen again. And that's the tour of the room.